Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. Today we go to an excited topic for you, so make sure to watch till the end. So here's how to fix Apple ID sign out is not available due to restrictions on iPhone, iPad, iOS updated. So guys, here you can see sign out is not available due to restrictions. Is sign out not available here? So how can fix this issue? Simply step by step and follow them. So guys, first of all, open settings on your iPhone. After that, scroll down and then tap on screen time. Now you can see as new appear on screen, and then scroll down and tap here content and privacy restrictions. Now tap on iTunes App Store purchase and then tap on don't forget. Tap here passcode iPhone. Then back and then tap on change screen time and passcode. Tap it. Now tap on turn off screen time passcode. Enter screen passcode. Now back and then again open screen time and scroll down, tap on content restrictions and toggle turn off and back home screen. Close the page, again open settings and tap on Apple ID and then scroll down and check here. Now you can see here's a sign out available and tap here and sign out your Apple ID. So guys, if you have any problem, let me tell in the comments, and like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching videos. Thank you.